Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings. And of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the dialer because this is the place where we can enter it, and after tapping on the keypad, let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, the IMEI info just pops out, so we've got two different IMEI numbers. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers. And as I said, it is using the settings. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code will not work. So all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And here we have to scroll down. As you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, which was not available using the secret code, you can do it here. Just tap on Model and Hardware, and as you can see, the serial number will appear. So actually, this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.